Right Reverend Barnabas Tibijuka or Bishop w'ubureberezi bwa West Rwenzori Diocese ni washabire bakuru b'amadini okuguma nibahayo embariirira ezo kurwa mu project z'amakanisa ekirije kureta y'intunguko mu bureberezi no kusyaho abantu obuhereza.
Like here in Bundibugyo, most of the churches have cocoa plantations, and just of recently cocoa plantation is selling like a hot cake. One kilogram is at 15,000. Now we need to put our projects into proper use.
Jore tubemanya owabiro RDC yo mu district ya Bunyangabu Bundibugyo hamwe n'ezindi ashabira abakurustayo ngo bejumbiro mu kwinga byo kurya ebirije kubabisaho mu makagabo.
Without food you will not be a strong Christian. You need food to support the church, you need food to support your family, you need food to support the church leaders, you need food to support the clergy, you need food to support everyone. And when you already have what is enough for you, then you can have what is for the market where you sell and get some money.
We should not violate the rights of women and girls. In the same way, we really talk about and promote good, positive cultural and traditional practices.
Loving Jesus as their Savior, to accept Him as their personal Lord and Savior, and so that we have give the message of loving the Bible, to read the Bible daily, so that they will stay in the church, so that they can build the church to grow more.
Obureberezo bwamara amezi 3 butandikire obwo buri kusharwa habwa Rwenzori Diocese. Omugandi makuru Bishop w'ubureberezi bwa East Rwenzori Diocese arabwira abazire okwetantara obushambani no kutuntuza abana babo obwo bari kubagira ifubo omubyo bwegesi. Ebi nebindi bigambirwa busaba dikono bwa Cabenda oburi kushanga omutawuna kanso ya Kahunje omu district ya Kamwenje.
Abana bari kumwe kusapotire kanisa kandi mubwo garuke patiko ureta abana hamwe kandi no mushara wabo. Nimanyabo bana wali omwana okwana kuyokuze. Wena gura ishakorashi ashakura abo hapo manizo mwana muhanda na igeshi shukura. Ebyo nabigambirwa bwabire nata wabacuye kabaruka kankagana 8 mikono kandi oguhona abashabiro kwerinda okutwarwa twarwe byenzi.
Turi kureba Satani ari kurwana munonga kandi ara ukira munonga mani bona Satani tureba gatiro mumenyero. Turenda kubeshengereza kugira ngo mufase tubase kurinda abana beitu mu kihumuro. Niko abana beitu kihumuro cyababere kirungi mu bahemirimo yo gukora mubatwazeje muberembereje abana mubagarure mwamani mureke kubacwendeje.
Nabwo ntirero yo kubyara umwana ntirero yo kubyara umwana yenda rumuriro buhanga wanje ngo shona bojya nyina nk'ekikapo cyo kubatera ngo muhingo mwana kuri nabatandi kiraro vivi mwona mugirashi mugire sente mutunge ntabe n'amataka mugira mate mutunge mbuzi mutunge ntama abatine amataka mahango mutunge punu nazo zimese mutunge nkoko ezawe enkoko kere kuzara yazaro bwandi 12 oburekire cyungu cyuburyo
abone tatiko murahanga twakuri misenia staff kandi mu board bagambira ba board member nza kusekika yiwo yirize
kandi mukunda kukuna kitonga abantu bacabenda twinira mu mugisi abokubwa kwitana abakristayo bono babino nimba basemererwa aboko tutungire bishop wito ize kungera kandi mukunda kukuna abana bengi bateywa hengaro kandi bona babasemeriro nurana abakristayo basemeriro.
Oguhona simiro busaba diko nobu ahubwo gukora namani omubye